Mullah,
What's up?
we trying to find a replacement for our good old friend PlayStation Home. Remember that? I
Yup.
mean, I never met you while PlayStation Home was out, but still, was the good old days, right? But too bad they shut it
Yup.
down for like 3 years ago, I think. Our mission is to find a replacement for PlayStation Home. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay, you ugly. Well, you ugly. I'm playing.
She said, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh hey.
It says
Oh
right here.
why you run from me? Hold on. Nah, come back here. Where you going? Boss on the thick bitch. Oh shit, there's two of them. Wait, hold on. Oh, is it because I'm ugly? Fuck, I need to change my clothes, Brandon. Nah, bro, get the fuck out my way until you get that big dick bitch right here. What's up? Hey, don't run from me. Brandon, boom!
No, I need her too.
She's mine, nigga.
Wait, no,
Nah,
that's
bro.
not what I do. You finna rape her or something, dude?
Watch it be a nigga. Why she running in circles? I'm gonna say hey.
Oh wait,
But
continue.
yeah, what's up? What's up? Wait, you ready? But she running from me.
No, you
Oh, wait,
can
she coming
say
back.
her name. Say
Oh,
her
she
name
went-
though. Say her name. You're like, hey, you know, what's her name?
What's her name?
Hey,
For now, what?
X
Bro,
underscore.
hey, look at the chat. Look at the chat. Nigga said,
Yeah,
"Hello,
hey,
I'm single
Lux.
again." Yeah, no, the dude above me.
Oh.
Oh, wait, there's a backpack.
Oh, she said hey. She said hi.
Oh, really? Oh
Yeah,
shit,
she
what's up?
did.
Oh shit. Hey bro, look, there's a girl over here. Go get her. Well, this shit seems so fucking stupid.
This is an NPC, dude. You tweaking. Hold up. This is.
Was it really?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. It was a real player. It had a name on top of everything.
How you do?
I can dance. What the fuck?
Yeah,
Look at
dance
Dougie.
in
Oh my god, the Dougie looks so
What?
ugly.
No.
Look at the
there's no
Dougie. They messed it up. They messed it up. Oh, they got the Soldier Boy dance. Oh, I'm dead. They really do.
Oh no.
And they messed up the SpongeBob too.
Oh no.
What poses can I do? What the fuck?
Nigga, you wasting time.
Nigga, fuck her. I'm looking at these animations. Oh wait, did she leave?
Yeah.
Fuck. God damn it.
Hold on.
I love how we all just sitting here on a man. Fuck this bitch. Let's go, Brandon. What, on this bowling, nigga?
You wanna go bowling?
Fucking nigger.
Wanna? Hold on.
Hey, babe. Oh, this girl right here, slump. Look at her. Come here. Come look. Hurry up, look.
Wait, where'd
Look,
you
she's
go?
slumped. I'm dead. Oh, whoa, was she twitching? Oh, wait, whoa, this is.
What the?
This bitch is dead.
What'd you do to her?
Dead. I
It's
did, but, you know, I put the old Bill Cosby, you know.
Dancing with some bitches. Hold
Bro, we ain't gonna put no bitches because we look ugly.
on. Oh boy.
Fucking outfits.
What
I
the?
got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What the hell?
No. What the fuck is this mystical bullshit?
Right.
Why the bitch got a clown mask and butterfly wings on? What the fuck is going on? Oh, this is a portal. Oh, what the fuck?
What the hell?
What the fuck is that?
Fuck.
I guess we found out where the fucking weirdos be at.
Yep.
Look at this nigga.
Join my
I like the
party.
outfit though.
Join my party.
Where you see that at?
No, someone just
join my
texted.
party.
Yeah.
Let's get away from these fucking weirdos. In my Bink account, look at this fucking nigga. You better be AFK doing that shit.
Hold on.
I can't sit here and do that.
Hold on.
I don't know. I'll look at the chat later. Let's go, man. What the fuck are you doing? Word runner. Hey, what's this shit?
I made him leave. I made him leave.
He's like, what the fuck is this nigga staring at me for? I'm leaving.
You give me money for this shit.
I'm pregnant anyway. What the fuck?
What the? Hold on. What? I have to say this. I have to. I have to say that.
Listen, I'm pregnant. Oh man. Brandon, look, look.
It's happening. Yeah, I know. I see it.
No, but look at the dude's crown. Like the dude in a second. If he loads in.
It's not loading in. No. Got 1 sec. Oh, I see it now. It is.
Hey, the girls don't look that ugly in this fucking game.
Hell no. Bro, girls look so good in this game. Yep. Girls look so good.
I told you.
Oh my gosh. She not even sitting in right.
Look at these fucking niggas dancing and shit.
Oh, no,
now this bitch right here is ugly. That bitch right there is ugly.
Oh, she ain't running in yet. Oh yeah.
Bro,
I know
these niggas' outfits, bro. I want these fucking clothes. Bro, let's go find a way to get some money, bro. Please. This nigga just sitting in the water all alone and shit.
Forever.
Thinking about life.
Hold up.
So I was very close to us. Grandma! Grandma!
Shut up.
Look, nigga, I'm thirsty. What?
The way you be screaming grandma all the time. Grandma!
Let's go back and talk about food, bro. Shut up.
Oh, look at these two couples. I dare you to say so.
How do I dare? Michael's on me. No, I was upstairs.
Who is this guy?
Who is who?
This guy right here.
What's his name?
Shadow One.
I don't know. That nigga's in my house?
Yeah, he's in your house right
What the fuck is this nigga? What the fuck? Yeah, then you better fucking leave. What? Leave? Who are you? What the fuck? That's why the fuck is he in my house?
Oh, he left.
Yeah, you better leave, bitch. Michael's on me.